अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू लर्नर अकेडमी। माई सेल्फ राजपूत। टुडेज आवर 41 टॉपिक ऑन मेमोरी। ठीक है, जो ऐसे अपनी बात करें मेंटल इमेजरी या मेंटल इमेज पे। ये क्या होती है? अ मेंटल इमेज और मेंटल पिक्चर इज एक्सपीरियंस दैट मोस्ट ओकेजन सिग्निफिकेंट रिसेंबल द experience of visually perceiving some object, event, or scene, but occur when the relevant object, event is not actually present to the senses. They are sometimes episode, particularly on falling asleep and waking, when the mental imagery of being of a rapid, which no distinct object can be discerned. Mental imagery can sometimes produce the some effect as would be produced by behavior or experience. Imagine the nature of this experience, what make them possible and function, have long been subject to research on the controversy. Philosophers such as the George Berkeley and David Hume and early experimental psychologists such as William Woodman and William James understand idea in general to be a mental image. Today is a very widely believed that the much image of function of mental representation playing an important role of memory of thinking. The mind as the notion of mind as goes back to Leif the refer the Mentis Ockley during the discussion of order appropriate use to smile. In this discussion, observe the allusion to of the end of his possessions involved smiles that were too far fetched, and he advised to order to instantly just speak of the rock and the gulf. And the ground, the eye of the mind are more easily directed to those objects which we have seen than to those which we have only heard. The concept of mind has first appeared in the English man 3087 Law Tale, where they tell us that of the three men in a castle was blind and could not see with the eye of his mind, namely thus is eye which will all men see after have becoming blind. उसके बाद रिजल्ट ये विजुअल कंपैरिजन लाइन significant significant where similar results are obtained when subjects make a comparison to actual physical magnitude. Johnson 1939 had object judged which of two stimulantly presenting line were longer.